Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Samsung Air Conditioner C1 error code. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to actually know what the C1 error is actually, which in this case, the C1 error typically indicates a very important error here. So currently we are in the official website for Samsung. So in this case, they will actually show you what the error codes actually mean here. So in this case, as you can see, it is an article for error codes on your Samsung indoor air conditioner. So when we go to the bottom here, you should see the C1 error here, so which is the error that we're getting. So currently, the cause for this one is going to be a defective room temperature sensor error. So meaning the temperature sensor on your room, on your air conditioner, is not working, which is something really important to take note here, because having a defective room temperature sensor here could result in you spending a lot more on your air conditioning, or basically your electricity bill would actually shoot up. Now, in this case, the appropriate option or the appropriate action for this one is to contact Samsung Service Center for assistance. So you won't be able to do anything here because they need to service this one to order for you to fix this. So typically in this article here, they have a link that says Samsung Service Centers. And typically you could go to the following website, which is going to be samsung.com/ph if you're in the Philippines /support/service center. You should be able to see the nearest service center on your location here. Now, if you're not sure or you're not able to see this website here, typically you go to Google and just type in nearest service center near me. So just go ahead and just type in that, and this should actually give you places where Samsung actually has their services. So in this case, make sure you've included Samsung in here. Near me. Yeah. For example, you could go ahead and visit the nearest locations that and basically contact them if they can actually service your air conditioner here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.